Close your eyes for a moment. Recall a moment of pure happiness from your past. Now imagine yourself 5 years from now, in a place you aspire to be. You just performed the most fascinating journey in existence. Time travel. It wasn't a complex machine that transported you, but the most complex machine in the universe, your own mind. Welcome to Mind Eclipse, where we dive into the depths of consciousness and reality. This innate ability has a scientific name, Chronesthesia, or mental time travel. It's the cognitive trait that allows us to mentally project ourselves through time to recall the past in rich detail and imagine the future with detailed planning. Scientists believe this ability is what distinguished us as humans and helped us evolve. The ability to remember a lesson from the past and plan for future risks is the foundation of civilization. It's not just memories, it's a full mental simulation of reality. But wait, it gets even more fascinating. When you remember, your brain isn't playing a recorded file of the past. It is reconstructing the event from scratch every single time. It gathers pieces of the memory from different areas of the brain, images from here, emotions from there, sounds from somewhere else, and assembles them into a coherent story. Even more astonishing is that imagining the future uses the exact same neural circuits. When you imagine your future, you are essentially borrowing pieces of your past and reassembling them into a new shape. Your future, therefore, is a collage made from fragments of your past. This explains a phenomenon we all know: time dilation. Why do minutes of panic feel like hours, while hours of joy feel like minutes? Because your brain, as a time machine, controls the perceived rate of flow. In a moment of danger, your brain enters a state of high alert, gathering a huge amount of information, details, sounds, sights, in a few seconds. When replaying this memory later, because it's so data-rich, you remember the event taking longer. It's a stunning illusion crafted by your personal time machine. And this brings us to the deepest question. If your mind can bend time, stretch it, fold it, and reconstruct the past and future, is linear time, past, present, future, an absolute truth, or merely an illusion imposed on us by our biology to make sense of the universe? Some philosophers and theoretical physicists, like the idea behind eternalism, propose that the past, present, and future all exist simultaneously, and our mind is simply navigating between these layers, limited by its biological perception that forces us to experience time in one direction. Perhaps chronesthesia is a tiny glimpse that nature gives us into the greater truth of space-time. So the next time you find yourself reminiscing about the past, or planning for your future, or even dreaming, pause for a moment. Remember that you are piloting the most complex and mysterious vehicle in existence. The time machine between your ears is not just a metaphor, it is our window to the universe, and the most beautiful illusion we live in. Perhaps the real question isn't how we travel through time, but what is the nature of the fabric we are traveling through in the first place? Share your thoughts and experiences with time dilation in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our journey into exploring the mind and reality. Until next time.